What's happening?
Tina, it's all a blur. But let me tell you what I remember. I was chump. What I
you was
remember
chump?
was that night after the J Book Fiji concert, we was come from the first we go
So
to
you first
Chatniks.
go to Chatniks, and then you say in your earlier that you knew the guys. Did you know them or didn't you?
I don't even know who those guys
So
were.
you didn't know who those guys were, huh?
What I'm saying is we first go to Chatniks over there on the other side, and then we come back to the clubhouse where everyone was there over there. We just wanted to have a good
But
time,
it
you know?
seems that the good time led to something
That's
else.
right, you caught it, you caught it. Oh, now you caught it. Yeah, you use common sense, man. At first, everything was good, no problem. Everything was good till I hear this guy's voice. It's like high pitched, and he introduced himself like, "Hi, I'm Ango." Then him and his friend across the bar send me free drinks, and I was like, "Thank you, thank you, thank you very much." And then I was like, "Oh, this seemed like a setup," but no, they kept buying me free drinks. Then my cards came down, and I was like, "These are some good usos. Let's go to the waters over there." Next thing you know, I wake
At
up
this
in
point of
ICU.
the interview,
Yes,
Junior gets triggered and has an emotional and violent outburst to where he starts speaking in his native tongue.
Fuck bitch na fussy nga pora e fakadi.
Tuna.
Kaling eh. Bitch fuck kalabongi. Falongo ba ko Facebook?